Tofu Bicol Express. Ingredients: cooking oil, canola or vegetable, extra firm tofu, sliced in cubes, garlic and onion. Aroy-D coconut milk, Barrio Fiesta sauteed shrimp paste, red hot chili peppers, cut in small pieces. Preheat a pan with some cooking oil. Place the extra firm tofu in a heated pan and sauté until each side develops a crisp, golden brown exterior. Once the tofu turns a rich golden brown, transfer it to a container and reserve for later use. Heat some cooking oil in a separate skillet. Stir in the garlic and let it sizzle for a minute. When the garlic is a little bit golden brown, add the onion and sauté it. Add the tofu that was set aside earlier, and mix thoroughly. Add the Aroy-D coconut milk. Mix everything together and let it simmer until it boils. Add 1 tablespoonful of the Barrio Fiesta sauteed shrimp paste and mix it all together. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, while boiling, add the chili peppers and mix thoroughly. Add salt to even out the flavor. Then that's it. Bon appetit!